Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Hello Kitty in a pineapple onesie. So let's get started. To draw cute Hello Kitty as a pineapple, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw an oval. And I'm definitely making mine a bit bigger than the original just to make it more cute. So I'm going to come across pretty wide, say about right here. And I'll draw another oval. There. And I'm going to come in here and shade it in. And I'm going to put a highlight right here and then shade everything else in. But if you don't like that and you want to stick with the original, just shade it all in black. And same thing over here. There. And then I'm going to very lightly in between the eyes draw her little nose. So it's going to be about the same level where the eyes end. So right here in the center, I'm just going to draw a very small little oval for her nose. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw her face. I'm going to come to the top of the eye. I'm going to come out and basically draw a curve around. So I'll just say about right here, just give myself space, and I'm going to start to draw a curve around. So same thing over here, about the same amount of space. And I'm going to draw a curve around and coming underneath the nose. So let's come out right here. And connect. There, it's a nice wide curve under, and then we're going to bring this up. And then you can bring this up a little bit more and go around. So let's keep going. And about right there, I'm going to stop because I have to draw the signature bow for Hello Kitty, right? So using this eye as my guide, I'm going to come straight up where this eye is. And then just imagining this is curving around. I'm going to come up about in this area and draw a big circle. So if you're using a pencil, definitely finish this curve first. But about in this area, I'm going to draw a big circle for the center of the bow. And then I'm going to go ahead and draw the rest of the bow nice and round and big. There. And then in the center, you can go ahead and just draw two curves for the center detail, and then just finish up your curve, whatever space you have left. And then let's come in here before I forget to draw the whiskers. So where the eyes are, I'm just going to go ahead and draw 3 whiskers. Just parts of it because the onesie is kind of covering it a little bit. So one, I'm just going to go here and center one. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and finish the onesie right here. So I'll just start about right here because it's easier in my hand. Say about right here. I'm just going to go up. So it's going to get wider as we come up. And we're going to go all the way around. So whatever is easier for your hand to start, and I'll just bring it all the way around. Around the bow, come down, and about right there. And it's going to get thinner as we come down. So we're just going to come really close to that curve to finish off this onesie. So I'm just going to follow my top curve and finish it off. There. And then let's come to the top, of course, and the most important part is the pineapple crown, right? Fix this curve a little bit. Okay, so now the crown at the top. So right here, right nicely in the center. So I'll just give myself 2 points. So I make sure it's pretty center, and I'm going to start to draw 3 of these pointy curves. So come down, and the center goes up, and 1 more. And then some back fillers. So right here. And 1 right here in the center. Nice tall one. And 2 more to fill it up. There. Okay, so then now for the Hello Kitty's little body, we're going to center that once again. So kind of about right here and here, underneath the eyes, and we're just going to draw a soft curve. About right there, I'm going to stop and draw her feet. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a circle. Or an oval, kind of flatten out circle. And same thing over here. So just pop it out a little bit. And connect. And then in the center, whatever space you have left, just go ahead and connect it with a soft curve. And then for her hands, straight on the side, nice and easy. Just curve it in. And let's see here, let me add a heart right here. On the original, there's a pineapple right here, but I'm just going to add a heart so that now it's my Draw So Cute Hello Kitty in a pineapple onesie, right? And then in terms of the pattern right here on the hat, I won't do that with a Sharpie, but just do that when you're coloring. Just add some darker oranges and curves to create the pattern for the pineapple. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this cute little Hello Kitty, and I made it fun and easy for you to draw along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.